Recording the sewer at 772 North 74th. The date is August 13th, 2021. I'm making this recording from the excavation here at the southeast corner of the property. I'm going to pull back. We're looking at the Seattle City main there, running down 74th. I'm going to pull back from here and get a look at the line. You start pulling back, please, up there. Hold on, let me zero out. We're zeroed out. Footage is zeroed out, and here we come on back. According to the sewer map, I believe this is a shared section of sewer with the neighboring building. You can see where we're dropping into that shared section. Right there, I believe. Yeah. Coming back further from there. That's a clay sewer line transitioning to a concrete sewer line. There's a large root growth mass down there. Another one there. There's just basically a lot of roots as we try to get back into where we are right here. Just massive sections of roots down this whole pipe, and it doesn't look like there's a ton of structure left to this pipe right in this section either. We're going to do some cleaning, get a new video once it's clean. Okay, we're now in that black ABS here. Go ahead and come back, Brennan. There's just some roots. We'll have to do some cleaning before we get a good idea of what it's going to entail on this side here. Alright, go ahead and pull that out, please. Go ahead.